My name is Peggy Maloney, and I am the practice manager at Three Rivers Medical. It's located in Branford, Florida. Three Rivers Medical is a primary health care facility. We practice family medicine, and we have been doing that since 2003. Yes, when we opened, of course it was very important to get a practice management software that was going to fit our business. So we looked at several different packages. I was most impressed with Collaborate MD. It seemed the most user-friendly, and I thought, well, my staff will be able to pick this up in a shorter amount of time, and that will be good, and it will give us all the things that we need out of our practice management software. Well, as I said, I've been with Collaborate since 2003, and I can remember back then, well, it was called, the company was called X Gear, and the software was Claims Gear. And there were times when I could call the support line, and I would actually get the president, Doug, on the line, and I was very impressed with that he cared enough about his clients that he would actually get on the support line and try and help them. So I just thought that showed a lot of integrity and a real sincerity on his part to really want to help, and that impressed me a lot. So. Well, the concerns I had were ones that anybody would have that's just starting up with a software package. They want to make sure it's going to work in their business and it's going to be easy to learn for the staff. I think after evaluating the several packages, I decided Collaborate was going to be the best one to implement, and that has proven true. The staff, they do pick it up pretty quickly. It was a very affordable package, which made it much easier for us, because some of the packages we looked at were big bucks. I mean, you're just starting out, you don't have that kind of resources. So that was another thing that weighed in. But I don't feel like I've gotten any shortness on quality. That's always been right there too. So Collaborate was a good choice. Its strongest asset is the same as I believe with any business, and that's its people. When you call up and you're needing some support, you want the people to be respectful, to be responsive, to be able to give you whatever you're looking for, whether it's time or help or a report or something like that, to give it to you accurately and to give it to you timely. And I have found that Collaborate does do that. And so the support staff is their strongest asset, I would say. Well, this really segues into what I was saying. An example would be just last week, I needed a special report from Medicare. It wasn't available in the list of reports, so I called and spoke to David in the sales department. I told him what I needed. He was very helpful and very sincere. He said, well, let me get some information for you and I'll call you back. He called me back later on that afternoon. He told me how long it would take to get the report and what it would cost. I said, let's go with it. And in a couple of days, I had the report that I was looking for. It was just what I asked for. And that's really what you're looking for from those support people. You know, it was timely, it was accurate, and I very much appreciated his help. The feature I believe I love the most is the scheduler. It's very easy to navigate. It's very easy for my staff to learn and to get it going. Multiple people can be on the scheduler, same time frame. It updates in real time. It also allows you to manage your workflow, because you can see, you have that visual right in front of you of the patients that are coming in and what they're coming in for, and it helps you to move things around and just so that your workflow is evened, and it helps the providers because you're able to see that workflow and to manage it. And it just makes the whole operation move a lot more smoothly. It's wonderful. I have no qualms about recommending Collaborate. It's worked out very well for us, and I do recommend Collaborate whenever anybody asks me. I think it has wonderful support, and that's That's really important. I'm on a listserv where I can talk to colleagues all around the country, and that's the biggest complaint I hear from them, is that their software packages, they are not getting very good support from their vendors, and it can really make you or break you. And Collaborate, as I say, I have gotten very good support, and I always tout its benefits. I'm very pleased with Collaborate.